Them say, if you want to know where you are go, check where you are come from. Aya, forefather walk on hot, dry street, barefoot, still them stand up neat. Empty pot but them full with pride. Spiritual even when belly can't hide. Them plant truth in a red clay yard. Teach we say suffering make your heart hard, but hard heart can't drink wisdom wine. So keep it soft, keep your mind divine. Forefather chant, me hear it still. Hold your lane, you hold your will. Them blood and I'm a vein. Me can't move slack, me can't move in. Hey, forefather word, I them me use. When the system want make me lose, me say nah back down, me firm on the rock. Forefather spirit a guard my back. Granny say, humble, fire was small, still have big burn. Big man fall when him start move wild. Lion first aim inside him own mind. Them time rough, bread sliced in. Still them share off, still them say come in. True wealth of the heart we share. Richest man of the man who care. Forefather chant, me hear it still. Hold your lane, you hold your will. Them blood and I'm a vein. Me can't move slack, me can't move in. Forefather word, I them me use. When the system want make me lose, me say nah back down, me firm on the rock. Listen now, you them build with sweat, not just hand and two. Them reason on the lamplight. Plan freedom like night school. So when fear a beat on your chest, member say courage a muscle. Use it, press it, stretch it. Every struggle is our next blessing. See, rise up, broke off chain. Mind first, them food from pain. Stand up, straight and spine. Father, they are in every bloodline. Oh, Father, hold your lane, you hold your will. Them blood, they are not my vein. Me can't move slack, me can't move in. For Father, hold your lane, you hold your will. For Father, me can't move slack. Where I come from, Aya. Forefather walk on hot, dry street, barefoot. Still them stand up neat, empty pot, but them full with pride. Spiritual, even when belly can't hide. Them plant truth in a red clay yard. Teach we say suffering make your heart hard, but hard heart can't drink wisdom wine. So keep it soft, keep your mind divine. Forefather chant, me hear it still. Hold your lane, you hold your will. Them blood they are in a me vein. Me can't move slack, me can't move in. Forefather word that them me use. When the system want make me lose, me say nah back down, me firm pon the rock. Forefather spirit a guard my back. Granny say picnic, humble, learn. Fire was small, still have big burn. Big man fall when him start move wild. Lion first aim inside him own mind. Them time rough, bread sliced in. Still them share half, still them say come in. True wealth for the heart we share. Richest man of the man who care. Forefather chant, me hear it still. Hold your lane, you hold your will. Them blood they are in a me vein. Me can't move slack, me can't move in. got my back. Listen now. Yo. Listen now. Yo. Yeah. Them build with sweat, not just hand and tool. Them reason on the lamp light, plan freedom like night school. So when fear a beat by your chest, remember say courage a muscle. Use it, press it, stretch it. Every struggle is our next blessing. Sing. Rise up, rise, rise up. Broke off chain, mind first, mind first. Then food from pain. Stand up, straighten spine. Forefather, they are in every bloodline. Forefather, they are in every bloodline. Them say, know where you are come from, if you know where you are go. Forefather spirit still there. You see it? Yeah, them build the road with bare hand, bare faith, bare stone pan them back, still them walk straight. Sun beat pan them neck, but them heart cool. Them never have to read book fi live like sage. Youth, them plant food, plant word, plant pride, plant good name when me still a ride. Every little scarp on them palm is a sermon. Every little song them sing are the first version. Big up the forefather, fire still a burn ya. All of the lesson them still a guide the turn ya. When life get rough and the system oppress ya, Jah know them vice in a the wine a bless ya. Fire still a burn ya. Them tell me about for little things, mind stay tall. Money run fast, but truth stand all. Man without history, breeze without trees. So I walk with them talk like drumming on my granny say. Take your time, choose friend, choose world. I am quiet long time, still him run hard. So when life a shout loud in my face, remember them calm smile, I'ma find grace some days. Big up the forefather, fire still a burn ya. All of the lesson them still a guide the turn ya. When life get rough and the system oppress ya, Jah know them voice in the wine a bless ya. Fire still a burn ya. Inna the laugh, inna the tear we drop. Inna the youth where you hustle pon the shop. When you rise or you fall and rise back again. At them see and backbone turn your pain in gain. Big up the forefather, fire still a burn ya. Big up the forefather.
Sister, them a watch
From the trunk to the branch, we there, we strong. Circle keep chanting. Oh, big up the forefather. Them walk barefoot pan rock and cool. Them carry world pan shoulder, so me coulda carry book and soul. Them belly did hollow, but them mind full up a gold. Them pray in a silence, talk truth, we never sell nor fold. Forefather chant, echo in we vein. Them pain turn ladder fi we gain. Head high, remember where your name. Stand firm, remember where you came. Forefather chant, echo in we vein. Them tell me you'd stay solid, no bend for the little quick bread plant tree where your children share it. No live like say wisdom dead, or take little left little share last dumpling. Break bread cause man we guard him spirit. No bow when Babylon a spread dread. Who me be if me forget them? Just leave where breeze a fling, but me root they deep in a red dirt. Me can't move like me no know a thing, so me heal every wrinkle pan granny and every scar pan grandpa's skin. Them suffer, but them still sing loud. Joy inside, victory within. Oh, forefather chant, echo now we vein. Them pain turn ladder fi we gain. Head high, remember where your name. Stand firm, remember where you came. Forefather chant, echo in we vein. Oh boy, forefather chant, forefather chant. Oh boy, youth man listen up sharp, no red chain, red legacy. No hype on clothes and car keys, hype on truth and honesty. Belows for the mind first, stock book like your stock money. Cause when storm come, when friend don't know, sense keep your head sunny. Only sense keep your head sunny. Whoa, forefather chant. Forefather chant. Oh boy. Them say, know where I come from, if you know where you are go. Forefather spirit still there. You see it. Them build the road with beer and beer fear, beer stone pan them back. Still them walk straight. Sun beat pan them neck, but them heart cool. Them never have to read book fi live like sage youth. Them plant food, plant word, plant pride, plant good name when me still alright. Every little scarp on them palm is a sermon. Every little song them sing are the first version. Big up the forefather, fire still a burn ya. All of the lesson them still a guide it turn ya. When life get rough and the system oppress ya, Jah know them voice inna the wine a bless ya. Forefather, forefather, fire still a burn ya. Them tell me, no both for little things mind stay tall. Money run fast but truth stand hard. Man without histories, without trees, some walk with them talk like drumming on me. Granny said, take your time, choose friend, choose word. Lion quiet long time, still him run hard. So when life a shout loud in my face, me remember them calm smile and me find grace. Them there, inna the laugh, inna the tear we drop. Inna the youth where you hustle pon the shop. When you rise and you fall and rise back again, and them same backbone turn your pain in gain, huh? Oh, little youth, me hear them call. Know your roots, no stand so small. Forefather blood they in my palm. Prince a guide, my heart beats sound. Them walk barefoot on rough dry land. Sea salt crack up them hard and none. Still them share loss, yeah me na pan. Teach we lion heart, humble man. Forefather chanting on my vein. Ancestor voice cut through the pain. Stand up me picnic, hold your lane. Roots so deep, can't break the chain. Yeah, them say mind sharp like cutlass edge. Word of your contract, that are your pledge. Take your licks, but never boast. Storm come off and just ride it slow. Granny read sound by lamp like glow. Grandpa on me na steady flow. From them story my spirit grow. Know me chest wide, ready for show. Forefather chanting on my vein. Ancestor voice go through the pain. Stand up me picnic, hold your lane. Roots so deep, can't break the chain. Me asked, why the world so cold, me king? Them say fire inside, make it sing. Every little loss, a little learn. Every try, feel, wait, on it turn. Oh, plant good seed, no watch fast gain. Real rich man who free from chain. Them wisdom tough like old time cane. Sweet and strong, right through the pain. Forefather chanting and moving. Forefather chanting and moving.
Them a watch
from the trunk to the brand.
we there, we strong, low. Circle keep chanting. Big up the forefather. Them walk barefoot pan rock and coal. Them carry world pan shoulder. Some coulda carry book and soul. Them belly did hollow, but them mind full up a goal. Them pray in a silence, talk truth whenever sell nor fall. Forefather chant, echo in our vein. Them pain turn ladder fi we gain. Head high, remember where your name stand firm. Remember where you came from, Father chant, echo in our vein. Them tell me, youth stay solid, no bend for the little quick bread. Plant tree where your children shade it, no live like say wisdom dead. Take little left, little share last dumpling, break bread, come on, we guard him spirit. No bow when Babylon has spread dread. Who me be if me forget them? Just leave where breeze a fling, but me root they deep in a red dirt. Me can't move like me no know I think so. Me heal every wrinkle pan granny hand, every scar pan grandpa skin. Them suffer, but them still sing low. Giant side, victory within. Circle keep chanting. Circle keep chanting. Circle keep chanting. Circle keep chanting. up shop. No rate chain, rate legacy. No hype on clothes and car keys. Hype on truth and honesty. Build house for the mind first. Stock book like your stock money. Cause when storm come, when friend don't only sense, keep your head sunny. Oh, Forefathers chant, echo now we vein. Them pain turn ladder fi we gain. Head high, remember where your name stand firm. Remember where you came for Father chant, echo now we vein. Circle keep chanting. Circle keep chanting. Circle keep chanting.
Call, know your roots, no stand so small. Forefather blood they in my palm. Prince a guide, me heart deep some. Them walk barefoot pan rough dry land. See salt crack up them hardened hand. Still them share last yam in a pan. Teach with iron heart, man. Forefather chanting ancestor voice, go through the pain. Stand up my bikini, hold your lane. Roots so deep, can't break the chain. Them say, mind sharp like cutlass edge. Word of your contract, that are your pledge. Take your licks but never bow. Storm come often, just ride it slow. Granny read some by lamplight glow. Grandpa hum him in a steady flow. From them story my spirit grow. Now my chest wide, ready for show. Forefather chanting I'm a vein. Ancestor voice cut through the pain. Stand up my bikini, hold your lane. Roots so deep, can't break the chain. Me ask, why the world so cold, my king? Them say fire inside, make it sing. Every little loss, a little hurt. Every dry field with on it turn. Plant good seed, no watch fast gain. Real rich man who free from chain. Them wisdom tough like old time cane. Sweet and strong, right through the pain.